Welcome to part 5 of my DIY backyard makeover project. If you have missed the previous progress, check them out in the description. This time, I am making a landing for the deck attached to the house. Then, I will show you some DIY tips on framing the other decks. Okay, I bought this paving stones from Home Depot. Next, I marked the area using the paint, then excavated the soil by hand. On the internet, people are telling you that you need to excavate at least 12 inches plus the height of the paving stone. In that case, I would have to dig 14 inches. Indeed, that is true if you are doing a driveway, but that's not true for walkway. I did my front yard using high performance bedding back in 2015, and I did not excavate 14 inches. The main area did not sink at all. That was very similar to the landing. It's pretty straightforward. Next, you need to compact the soil using the hand damper. For high performance bedding, you do need to put the geotextile at the bottom. This step is extremely important for HPB. If you are using the traditional crusher run and limestone screening method, this is not necessary. Let's take a look at HPB. They look like limestone screening, but they have been washed cleaned without any dust. It is 95% self-compact, and most importantly, water can pass through for drainage. Unfortunately, some of my video footage were corrupted. I could not show you the whole progress, but you can check out my other video on HPB. I will post a link in the description. Both projects are very similar. One thing to remember, please use paving stone edging. This is completed. It is not too difficult for DIY people. I did it in less than 1 day. To prevent rotting of the stairs, I bought this nail-on furniture legs protectors. When there is good airflow and good drainage, your stairs won't rot that easily. Okay, let's do some more framing. This time we focus on the sitting and dining area. Remember, I have a bridge in my original design. In terms of structural, the two decks are not really connected. So, how do I make sure that they are leveled? I am using this fancy green laser tool from DeWalt. It is a very useful tool, but it is not a must-have. If you have extra money, go and get one. It is cool. This is the concealed flange joist hanger for the edge of the deck frame. For this one, you need screw number 10, 2.5 inches. Do not use number 9. Always read the menu. In the last video I have spent too much time talking about joist hanger already. If you want more information, check it out. One thing I forgot to talk about last time is that you want to make sure that the wood has ground up. Google it for more information. There are too many videos talk about it already. Installing the 2x10 joist hangers is exactly the same as 2x8 like what we did last time. I used a temporary screw to hold the joist, and remember, always check for level. Now install the joist hangers by hammering them. For this model LUS 210, you need number 9 2.5 inches structural screws. Notice that the whole deck is on joist hangers, not cantilever. I have already explained the pros and cons and the reasons behind it in the last video. If you have good eyes, you will notice the spacing are different between the two decks. One is 16 inches on center and the other one is 12 inches. For dining area, I will install the deck board in diagonal. Indeed, for Azek PVC, that was not good enough. 12 inches and 16 inches on center is only good for composite and wood. For any PVC decking material, not limited to Azek, you need smaller span. I will show you how I fix it later. It's a hack. Now let's enjoy the barbecue. If you want to see the progress of this deck project, remember to subscribe. If you loved DIY, I am pretty sure you will find the other videos on my channel interesting. Thanks for watching and see you next time.